Alright guys, so I am currently inside, I'm currently in a windstorm right now. Yep, this is the big example of this. Look at this. This little bucket right here was not right there. Look at that. It's literally getting blown by the wind. Like seriously, man. That bucket right there was not right there. It was all the way over there. And it literally just got blown all across right there from the wind. Like seriously, that's how bad the wind is. God, man, I got hair on my face. Ugh. Like seriously, man, this is absolutely crazy. Seriously, that bin literally went from all the way over there to there. Like seriously, it was just bouncing everywhere, dude. Okay, well, it looks like the wind is not really crazy, but I'm pretty sure the next wave is coming up. It's currently, what time is it? It's 12:19. Oh, here we go. Here's a water bottle. That's filled with ice. There's this random water bottle on the ground. I'm going to put it right here. I'm gonna see if it could. I'm gonna see if the wind could knock it over. Here it comes. The wind is coming. Oh boy, it's coming. The big wave is coming again. I'm gonna see if it can knock this water bottle over. Well, it's just an example. Yep, there goes the bin right there. It's rolling everywhere. Oh my gosh. Here it comes. Whoa. You see the bottle moving? Oh, there it goes. Water just got knocked over. Let's see it side from side or something. There goes the water bottle. Water bottle got knocked over by the wind. That's what that happened. Water bottle got knocked over by the wind. That's how strong the wind is. Seriously. So much junk flying around from the wind. Alright. Alright. I'm now reaching the middle. Ugh. Goodness gracious. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of leaves and stuff flying around. Oh goodness. Seriously, this wind is just very bad. And seriously, and the fact that there's gonna be a rainstorm that's gonna be hitting our area as well, it's not gonna be good. Seriously, man, we're gonna have like tropical storm force wind gusts with this rain. And we might even lose power from it. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what will happen. I mean, the Storm Prediction Center, or I'm sorry, Weather Prediction Center put out a marginal risk for excessive rainfall for a lot of places in the East Coast. Yeah. And it looks like I don't see any geese around here, so that's a shame. So I'm guessing the geese do actually come at a random time, because the first time they came at 12, the second time they came at 4. Now I don't know what time they'll come this time. Goodness gracious. Alright, let me switch hands. Oh goodness gracious. Let me put my hood up. I don't know why my hood is down. There's the sun right there. I feel like the sky is a little bit hazy. I don't know. I don't know if that's just me, but I feel like the sky feels hazy to me. Because you see how the sun is out like that, and then there's all this white stuff surrounding it. Those are those are probably not clouds. I don't know. I don't know if they are really clouds. I mean, I can see a little bit of one. There's a big tree blowing in the background. Oh, goodness, here we go. Wind's picking up again. I don't want my hood to fall down. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it like this. Oh my god. Oh, oh god, here we go. Here comes the big wave again. The big wave is coming. Pulling my hood down. It's trying to pull my hood down. Oh my god. What the heck? What time is it? 12:23. Got a whole lot to go. Big load of time. Look at all these birds flying up. Those are all birds. Flying everywhere. There's a bird right there. There's another one. There's the sun right there. Ugh. I really do not know if that white stuff is actually haze or if it's just actually clouds. I mean, looking through and it looks like it might be clouds. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the fact that, well, I mean, it won't even matter anyway because we're gonna get hit by rain anyway. And it will. There goes a bird. It still feels like it was. Whoa, my God. My hood is falling down because the wind is just blowing very hard. It has enough power to blow my hood down. I mean, the temperature is only 36. I mean, the temperatures are supposed to rise as the day goes on, which is good. It's not going to be as cold. It's going to be, I think the high today is supposed to be 44. Yeah, only 44 or something. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what's going on. The wind doesn't seem like it's as aggressive as it is, but like, when I first came out, the wind was just blowing like crazy. And now when I'm... There we go. The wind is blowing a little bit. Like, seriously, man, the fact that we're gonna get a rain... Goodness gracious, I can't even speak. So much like, kind of like cold air. It's like cold air just blowing in my face. Seriously, man, there's just this cold air just blowing in my face, man. It's like, oh goodness. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, I heard that. I heard that. Whoosh. That's coming from way over there. Oh my god, look at those trees blowing like that. That's a sign that the next big wave is yeah, the next big wave is coming. Oh my goodness, this storm is not going to be good, dude. This rainstorm that hits us between the 17th and 18th. Oh goodness. Not good. God. So much. So I figured it out. This is not haze. These are just clouds that look like it's haze, but really it's not. I was really trying to look at the sky because I thought that white stuff was haze. It's not. It's just clouds. Cloud fires can be. They can cause mega fires, especially in California when it's all super hot, and then this wind is coming, and then and then and then the ground just be like, yeah. Luckily, that doesn't happen in our area. Luckily, we live in the complete opposite of California. We live in grass and snow land, not desert and dry land. Ugh. What time is it? It's 12:28. Oh, the big wave is coming. Looking at these leaves. Oh gosh. There's a lot of birds everywhere too. Oh god. Okay, that's all ice. Dude, I feel like whenever I see trees blowing so crazy, oh my goodness, I almost slipped. Alright, I need to get out of this ice. Because I really am not paying attention. I'm all too focusing on the wind and stuff. Maybe I should go ahead and just walk further away or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, what the heck? This is absolutely insanity. This is pure insanity. Pure insanity. This is pure insanity. This is pure insanity. Still quite a few of ice patches. I hear the next wave, maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna continue. The wind, cold air is blowing in my face. It's just like, seriously, all this wind and stuff is just affecting my. Like, seriously, whenever I'm talking, it just cuts out a little bit. That's because the cold air just keeps on blowing in my face. Ugh, I'm just trying to. Seriously, this is similar to the previous windstorm I made like a few months ago, where we had the same thing similar to this. This one, literally the same thing. Oh my gosh. There's the sun right there. Oh my god. Alright, maybe it's best to just keep on walking this way, away from trees and the wind. Now I'm in dirt land. Well, that's all wet dirt. Oh goodness. I hear wind chimes. That's not good. Alright, just keep on going. Just gonna keep on going. Oh dear God. Look at those trees blowing. Oh, that doesn't sound good. That sounds like a big wave might be coming for real. Whenever I hear that sound, it feels like the big wave is really coming. Big wave of wind just blowing like crazy. Gosh. My God, bro, that was powerful. That it literally blew my hood down. Oh my goodness, bro, that wave, that was just so powerful. It literally blew my hood down. No joke, dude. Oh my God, that was legit the most biggest wind wave I've ever seen in my entire life. Yo, that was just so powerful. Oh my god. Dude, what do I do? Well, I think it might be the obvious thing. It's 12:33. Oh goodness, my battery's low. Oh my god. Oh, here comes the next one. There goes the next wave. The next wave is coming. Where'd it go? I'm literally just a tree right next to me. Like seriously, it could fall at any time. I mean, they're saying that trees and power lines might be blowing down. Like seriously, they're saying that this wind, like we're not even under a high wind warning or anything. We're just under a wind advisory. I mean, this feels like more than just a wind advisory. This feels like a high wind warning. Like seriously, man, I don't know if they'll actually upgrade it to a high wind warning. Seriously, this wind is just absolutely insanity. I'm just gonna go home. Cause like, oh my god, this is literally so weird. That water bottle right there, bro. This is absolutely insanity. I'm gonna keep recording because I still got 10 minutes on this thing. I still got 10 minutes until this thing gets the storage full. Last time it ended at 26 minutes. Obviously. Oh my god. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Ugh. Bro. This is absolutely insane. Never seen anything like, well, technically I have seen anything like this. But this feels like, bro. I wonder if WXL34 will actually upgrade the wind advisory to a high wind warning. I'm curious. What do they actually do? This wind is just absolutely insane. Alright, I'm just gonna walk. Just walk. Just gonna walk and I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just keep on walking. Just keep on walking. Oh my god. Dude. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk, dude. Bro. Just walk. Just keep on walking. Just keep on walking. Just ignore the birds. Ignore the birds. Ignore the birds. Oh my god. Just ignore the birds. Just ignore the birds. Just ignore. Alright. Should be okay. Alright, go. Oh my god. Alright, go. Just go. Oh my goodness, all this ice is slippery. Seriously, when I'm walking back. Like, seriously, look at this. Seriously, my feet walk back super fast. Oh my god. Seriously, all this ice is slippery, dude. Okay. I'm almost out of it. Almost out. Almost out. Just keep going. Alright, good. You're all good. Okay. You're out of the ice at least. But oh my god. All these bins and stuff is... Some of these bins are knocked over and everything. Look at that. All this wind and stuff is knocked over. Like, what the heck? Alright, just keep on walking. I feel like all this is, like, not slippery and just, like... I came through the back way, so I'm gonna have to go through the back. I gotta go through the back. Also, Why do I feel like I feel like I smell? I don't know. All right, I came through the back, so I have to go through the back. Gotta go through the back here. Oh goodness gracious! Luckily I'm home, but holy moly! Oh god. All right. Luckily we are home at last. Well, we're home. Just home. Nothing else. Alright. We're home. Maybe we could just go inside and end the video here. Seriously, man, I'm done. I'm done with this. This wind was just absolutely crazy, dude. Alright, I'm going.